Hey guys, what's up? It's Weapon Up, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing a butterfly knife. It's called the Dragon Tattoo butterfly knife. And yeah, so here it is. Well, it's opened. Here it is though. Here's the case. I don't think you guys can see it, but there's the case. There's the back. And it comes with one of these. And it came with this. I don't know what this is. This. And this. So that's pretty cool. Now here's for the main thing. Right here. Oh yeah. That's so cool. It's a little hard to take the spring off over here. Oh my gosh. So there it is. I don't know how to do any tricks or stuff with it, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's it, guys. Thank you.